What a cute dog. Well, I mean, there's also a really cute one right there.
Oh, jeez. Oh, are you talking about me?
Well, here we are. Welcome back to Urban Candy Hooking. Here we are. Come over here with me and let's see what we got. You can see life is very distracting here with someone this cute. But I am trying to focus on this dog right here. So this is the last little bit that I've got left of the March kit. Let me bring you in. Oh, someone's approaching. Let me bring you in a little bit closer because I'm going to hook just the very end bit with you here. You know, this part of every kit is the trickiest, isn't it? Get even closer. I wonder if I can zoom you a little bit. No, can't zoom, but this should be okay, right? This part of every kit is the or every pattern is the hardest because there's such small bits here, right? And we've got like the little ears and everything else. So I'm going to speed up with you for a minute. Let me get you in a good place here, and I'm just going to hook this last little bit with it. So these are number 5 cut, right? This is like these will come if you're getting the kit. These will come in a number 5 cut. I've used my Bliss over here to cut them right because you see I'm on the couch and you see how it's really hard to get up once I'm sitting down. So I'm going to speed up a little bit and I'm going to work my way with the number 5 up the tail, and I make little clips as I go, just to make things tidy. I'm a bit of an OCD clip as I go person, but I'm going to come up here. I'm going to try to work my way into the ears with just one little piece there. I'm going to get the black nose here is hard to see, but this is the top of the mouth. It's open. The snout, his mouth is actually open, barking. And then I'll make room for this little black eye. So you'll see all this as I hook it right now.